Crazy place, this Manila. Crazy place. This Manila is a crazy place. They're closed for cleaning. Cheers from Shakey's. Cheers from Shakey's. So there is Shakey's Pizza, the manager's special. And there's the chicken and the rice. And pretty much everything here at Shakey's and Endlex. There's the chicken. There's the chicken. So here we are. We have avocados, chicken, alcohol-free beer, and we're here at the chicken franchise here in Manila, Bulacan, Philippines.
Prensa.
Oh, Prensa, yeah. We're in Manila, Prensa 2. Prensa 2, Manila, Bulacan, Philippines. Here at the chicken franchise. What do you call that chicken franchise, Jay?
Bayous fried chicken.
Uh-huh.
Bayous fried chicken. Bayous fried chicken.
Bayous fried chicken. Bayous fried chicken. So here's a available chicken franchise. You can see the line. People are lined up. Already. The specialty chicken. And there's actually a line here waiting. Breaded chicken with spicy vinegar. Here comes the monsoon rain. Everybody's running to get to cover before the rain comes. It's the heavy rain.